Hey everyone, Ryan from Fox Tech here. If the clock on your Apple Watch isn't showing the correct time, don't worry. I'm here to help you fix it. In this video, I'll walk you through some simple steps to get your Apple Watch clock back on track. Let's get started. First, the most important thing is to ensure that your Apple Watch and iPhone are properly connected and synced. Your watch relies on your iPhone for accurate timekeeping, so if they're not in sync, the time on your watch might be off. To start, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Once you're in the app, tap on My Watch and then go to the clock settings. Here, you can adjust various time settings, including the time zone and the option to set your watch a few minutes ahead if you like to run on early time. If after adjusting these settings, the time is still incorrect, it's a good idea to restart both your Apple Watch and iPhone. Restarting can often clear up any minor glitches that might be causing the time to display incorrectly. Another thing to check is whether there's a software update available for either your Apple Watch or iPhone. Sometimes, outdated software can lead to issues with timekeeping. If an update is available, go ahead and install it to make sure both devices are running the latest software. If you've tried all these steps and the time is still not accurate, the next step is to unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone and then repair them. This process will reset the connection between the two devices and can often resolve more persistent issues. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues with the clock on your Apple Watch and get it back to showing the correct time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. See you guys later.